Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appium Guide. As a part of our series called 9 Ways to Install APKs. And here in this video, we are discussing about the seventh way to install the APK file, okay, at runtime. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the UI automator to driver command called mobile colon install multiple APK files. See, by seeing the command name itself, we can say that we are installing multiple APK files at runtime. Okay, and we will see what exactly this mobile colon install multiple APK files. How can we can use this command? Okay, we will demonstrate completely here. Okay, first, what we will do directly we jump into the code here. So I have using the emulator pixel 6 here to demonstrate this command here. So we are installing multiple APK files at one go. Okay. So I open the Eclipse. So I'll under the package name called 9 ways to install APKs. Under this one, select the new, create a class and name this class as install multiple multiple APKs by UI automator to command. Okay, so we are naming this class as install multiple APKs by UI automator to command. Okay, we can finish. So we created the class here. So as usual, we used to copy the before test and after test code to save the time from the sample class here. Just copy it here and place it here in the and do the necessary changes. That is the remove the package demo and just class here. Or just a class name. To save the time I'm doing this. That's it. Okay. So our class is ready with the before test and after test annotation. Under the before test, I have created a method called setup where I am defining the capabilities. So I am using the UI automator 2 options and I am defining the capabilities, that is the set platform name, set automation name, set device name here. Okay. And after test annotation, I am using the tear down method. Here I am quitting the driver here. Okay. Yeah. So now directly write the code here. So we say install, write a comment here, install multiple APKs by using UI automator to driver command. Okay. And here we had to use driver dot. We had to use a method called execute script. Execute script. So select from here execute script. We had to use the method called execute script here, and we had to use the command called double quotations mobile colon space install. Okay, I is smaller case here. Install multi. M is uppercase multiple APKs. So this is the command we are going to use here. Okay, install multiple APKs. So we need to be careful with the spelling here. So I is smaller, M is uppercase, A is uppercase. So mobile colon install multiple APKs here. Okay, so this is the key, and I had to provide the values here. So I had to use immutable map of So here I need to provide the set of key and values here. So we have only one mandatory key here, that is the APKs. This is the key, okay, and I have to provide the value here. So I say APK pass. This variable I am using here. So done. Okay, our base is done here, but we need to define this APK pass here. Okay, just wait, just make it uh, comment properly here. Comment. Okay, and sys out also I want to use. Just copy paste. That's it. Yeah. So I had defined this APK pass, right? So this is the key. The key is the APKs. Okay, this is the only mandatory key we have. So we had to use this key APKs and we need to provide the value here. Okay. Now we create a code for this APK pass here. Okay. So we have here installing the multiple APK files, right? So what we are doing here? So we have to use this APK files as an array of all the APKs. Okay. So here we have this list of APKs here. So under the APK underscore file. These are the list of APKs. So the same APKs are available in the GitHub. You can copy here. Okay. So these I want to install three APKs here. That is the Android WDIO native app, API demos app, and Cell Android test app. Okay. These three I want to install in one go. Okay. I do not want to install one by one here. In one go, I want to install here. So we need to define this APK paths, right? So and we are sending these APKs as an array here. So what I will do here, arrays has list. So I'm using arrays has list. Okay. Now here I am going to define one by one here. Okay. And this thing I am sending to the a list here. So we are giving list of type of string, and the variable name is the APK path. Okay. Let me not app path, APK path. Okay. Now we have to send the list of APK files to be installed here. Okay. So come back here. So we need to write the code. So what I will do, system dot get property user dot directory here, and I had to provide the path of this WDIO APK app. So three APK files we are installing, right? So we need to provide the name and extension of this APK file. Okay, and under this folder name also APK underscore files slash the name. Okay, the same thing we need to do it for others also. Okay, so copy this one and do it for this one. Okay, and API demos app. So I'm sending the APK files to be installed. Okay, with the path. We need to provide the path here. Okay, the same thing I need to do for the other APK because we are installing three APKs. Okay, so this one. Okay, I have to provide full one. Okay, wait. So I provide this one. So I have defined the three APKs. So I am sending the path of this APKs here. So say, and I don't want to use every time this system dot get property user dot this one. So what I will do, this is not a proper coding here. So what I will do, I will create a one variable of type of string. I say base path. So base path, I'll create it and I will remove this one and I'll place it here. Okay. So base path I am creating here. So every time I not want to add, see, suppose I'm creating three here. So I had to create the three system dot get property. This is not a good programming practice. Okay. You can define the things like this. Okay. So remove this. Now no need of this one. Just replace this thing as a base path. Same thing I have to do it for this. For this one also I have to do it the same path. And already we defined this folder name there. So no need of this. That's it. So what you are doing here? See, we are using the UI automated driver command called mobile colon install multiple APKs. So this is the name of the command, okay, to install the multiple APKs at one go. Okay, and we are creating immutable map of only we have only one mandatory well key is there, that is the APKs. Okay, and we need to provide the array of the APKs here. Okay, so that's why I created a arrays has list and I provided the list of APKs with the full path. So we need to provide the full path here. Okay, and remove the repeated of the system dot get property and create a base path of string type I'm providing here. Okay, that's it. So we run this code. So see there, I had to install all these APK files in this my emulator, that is the Pixel 6. Okay, here when I run this code, okay, you will see it will fail here. Okay, definitely it will fail. I will say why it will fail here. So I want to failure here. Okay, see, before that one I need to start the Appium server. Yes, Appium server. Open the command prompt and type Appium and click on enter. So my Appium server is started here. See, as I told, when I run this code, it will fail here. Okay, why? I'll tell you. That's very, very important. Okay, we need to remember, keep in the mind when you're using this particular command, when you are installing multiple APK files. Okay, there is one catch is there. Okay, I'll show you what exactly that one. Okay, just click on run. Run has test in the test. So we'll get one error message here. See, failed. Okay, I want this failure here. Yes. Why it is failed? See, if you read this error message, it says it is using a command called install -multi. See, background -all. So this is the list of APK files I am getting installed here. See, this is a WDR native app. Okay, and API demos app. And next one is the Cell Android APK. See, it says fail to finalize session. Says install failed invalid APK split null was defined multiple times. Okay. See, when you want to install multiple APK files, okay, we need to remember, okay, one thing here. Okay, when you will install multiple APK files, background it is running the ADB cell command called install multiple. Okay, so it says install multiple command is only for split APKs of same app. Okay, such as base APK, configure APK. These are the examples here, and for these have the same package name belong to one .ab Android app bundle. Okay, see, when you want to install multiple APKs, these should be grouped. Means as I should have the same package name and belong to one .ab. That is a Android app bundle. It is not that you install different APKs of different packages here. Okay. Suppose in our project we have the same package name, apps with same package name, and it belongs to one Android app bundle, then we can install any multiple number of APKs. Okay, it is not restricted to only three. You can install any number of APKs at one go. Okay, that is the thing we need to remember when you are using this particular command. Okay, that's why I have showed before running itself. I said it will fail because we are running the multiple APKs of different package name of different bundles. Okay, if you have any requirement to install multiple APK files which belongs to the same package name and belongs to the same Android app bundle, then only use this particular command. Okay, that is the thing I want to tell. Okay, coming back to our Android. So to overcome this, suppose if it is same package name and same Android app bundle, it definitely work. Okay, no doubt that one. Okay, now to overcome this one, what we'll do? Okay, I want to run this code. I want to run this code and install the APK files. Okay, but by using this command, it's not possible because these three are different. See, API demos and Android WDI it is and cell Android are different APKs here. So I cannot able to install. If it is same bundle, I can install here. So to overcome this one, what we'll do here, just comment this one. Okay. So simple. We use a for loop here and string APK colon. I use this APK pass. That's it. And here I use driver dot install app. And here I provide the APK. That's it. Just here I will take dot sleep so that we can see the pass execution for just for 3 seconds. Okay. So we will see the effective. That's it. See, if we are installing the APKs of same Android app bundle, you can use this particular command. If you're not using that one, if you want to install APKs of different app bundle of different packages, you can use this one also. Okay, this is approach one and this is approach two. Just you can say this is approach one. Approach one. Spelling mistake is there. Says approach one. APKs. Like I say, APKs with same package name and Android app bundle. Okay. Sorry, is there? Yes, bundle. Okay. This is approach. Approach to here. Okay. And now we run this code and we install the APKs one by one here. Okay. This is a small thing you need to remember when you are using this multiple install multiple APKs command. So run on this. You observe here, it go on install one by one APKs under this emulator here. First, it has to install the WDI. Yes, it is installed here. One API demos app, and next one is the cell Android app. Okay, all three it have installed here. Okay, got it. So this is what about the how you can able to install the multiple APKs. Okay, in one go. Okay, I have explained the approach one and approach two here, and the point to remember is that when we are using the approach one, that is why by using this command called mobile colon install multiple APKs command, we need to remember that that all the APKs should be belongs to one Android bundle and have the same package name. Okay, otherwise it will not work. Okay, because background it is using the ADB command called install multi space IR. Okay, space -R. Okay, so this thing we need to remember here. So if you want to install the multiple APKs, you can use this for loop here and just use the command called install app method here, which is a built-in method in the Appium. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe my channel. I'm pushing this code in the GitHub. Thanks for watching. Bye.